In this film, the procedure of monitoring systemic and hepatic hemodynamics in mice is demonstrated. Monitoring includes acquisition of vital parameters, systemic blood pressure, central venous pressure, portal vein pressure, as well as the portal flow rate in mice. What is needed for the full monitoring procedure is a computer with lab chart 7, a stereo microscope, an anesthesia machine and ADI system components. ADI system components include transit time perivascular flow meter, power lab and quad bridge for data acquisition. We also need temperature and ECG signal conditioner for recording the rectal temperature and heart rate. Here are the instruments we need. Suture materials we need are 6-0 silk, 6-0 proline, 7-0 proline, 10-0 proline. This is the temperature sensor, ECG sensor and respiratory sensor. This is the blood flow probe MA1 PSB for measuring the flow rate of portal vein. This is the blood flow probe MA 0.5 PSB for measuring the flow rate of common hepatic artery, carotid artery and jugular vein. This is the millicatheter, a highly sensitive pressure transducer for measuring the blood pressure. Millicatheter calibration. Connect one Miller sensor to the Miller 2 channel, which is set for acquiring portal vein pressure. Insert the Miller sensor tip into water column manometer. First, set the water column value to 0 cm water. In lab chart 7 window, choose bridge amplify and zero it.